No industry has grown as massively as AI over the last year. However, plenty of breathtaking AI software like Google Bard and Midjourney. One software that paved the way for them was ChatGPT. Made by OpenAI, ChatGPT acted as a revolution in the AI industry, and since its inception, the AI industry has seen a massive boom. However, today, the topic of our concentration is not AI or ChatGPT, it's AGI or, as we usually know it, artificial general intelligence. The creator of ChatGPT, OpenAI, recently dropped a massive bomb about AGI, and experts around the globe believe that AGI might be out in the next 18 months. Tech experts predicted that AGI will occur around 2050, but OpenAI plans to do something quickly. As we said, no industry has seen such huge advancements over a quick succession, and achieving AGI is something no one believed could happen so early. Returning to the bomb that OpenAI dropped, which is not being talked about enough, it means something is going on regarding the development of AGI. OpenAI recently changed its core values. You can easily see and access it if you search the OpenAI website. Before speculating something, it is crucial to realize what core values specify. For a business, the core values are principles you will follow and deliver. For example, a restaurant would have core values such as making good food, ensuring hygiene is met, and the people love the food. Now, you might go and read their core values and wonder what's wrong with them, as they sound pretty standard. However, you'll only realize the difference once you read the previous version that they deleted. For that, we'll be using the Wayback Machine, which works as an Internet Archive Center, and you can look at the edited versions of any website. Now, this is what the core values of OpenAI read before they were changed. They were pretty simple and had no mention of the word AGI. They claimed to be audacious, thoughtful, unpretentious, impact-driven, collaborative, and growth-oriented. These qualities were present in OpenAI, and they have ample work to back these words. However, what's surprising and a bit dangerous is what their core values read now. AGI focus is what the first line reads, and they clearly say how they will be looking forward to the development of AGI and how it can positively impact people's lives. They also talk about scale among their core values, and they write, when in doubt, scale it up. Scaling up for them definitely refers to AGI, as they now tell us their entire focus on AGI and nothing apart from that. As we can see how companies like Google and Microsoft are trying to win the battle of AI, it is a no-brainer why OpenAI might have already spent heavily to ensure they get to AGI as fast as possible. In an interview published on Monday, November 13th, by the Financial Times, FT, the CEO of an AI company, Sam Altman, stated his intention to raise an extra $10 billion from Microsoft to finance artificial general intelligence, AGI, software. Altman said that his company's cooperation with Microsoft and its CEO Satya Nadella was working really well and planned to raise a lot more over time from Microsoft and other investors to cover the expense of developing more advanced AI models. Sam also claimed that a chunk of this money will be spent to regulate AI and ensure that the advancements do not work against humans. Other than Sam Altman, there's another person who seems to know everything about OpenAI, and he is not linked with the organization in any way. A person who goes by the name of Jimmy Apples, which is his Reddit and X handle, has predicted some big things regarding OpenAI. He tweeted on September 18th that AGI has been achieved internally. Although this might not seem like a credible source, since last year, he had made some wild claims that proved right over time, just like the tweet he made about the release date of GPT for 1 week before it was officially announced for the same date. Now, people have different opinions on Jimmy, but one thing is certain, he has some inside news on OpenAI. Now, he may be a spy, or as a Reddit user once said, just a troll account of Sam Altman. The reason for including this statement is that Sam Altman surprised everyone as he commented on a Reddit post saying the same thing Jimmy said. In the post, Altman confidently said that AGI has been achieved internally. However, Altman subsequently updated his first post on Reddit and added, "Obviously this is just memeing, y'all have no chill, when AGI is achieved it will not be announced," with a Reddit comment. The AI community needed clarification on this statement, with many people questioning if Altman had only made a light-hearted joke or whether there was more to the tale than first seemed to be the case. Some people also speculated that Jimmy Apples is an advanced hacker, as they believe he might have just hacked into Sam's account before making the edit. Whatever the reality behind Jimmy Apples is, one thing is clear: Sam Altman does know about Jimmy Apples, and he has been reading his tweets over time. Now, if this does not ring some bells in your mind, then nothing will. As if this drama wasn't enough, another piece of news just erupted, which claimed that OpenAI was attempting to raise cash at a valuation that would place the business at an astounding $90 billion. To put that into context, it is a very high value, and it signals that OpenAI is onto something significant. But does the controversy on Reddit have anything to do with this fundraising move? Or is there no connection between the two at all? The timing was noteworthy in its own right. The key takeaway from these matters is that AGI is not far and might be closer than we predicted. The Turing Award winner and former Google employee Geoffrey Hilton predicted AGI would come in 5 to 20 years. Futurist and technologist Ray Kurzweil, who famously predicted the singularity event, recently predicted that AGI might be achieved by 2029. However, every scientist might be proven wrong, as AGI is knocking at the doors. Let's see what would happen if AGI really came in the next 12 months. The first thing to collapse would be the economy. A massive amount of the workforce would be let go, as companies would have no reason to employ people for tasks that a machine can effortlessly carry out. In fact, one computer might be able to perform the work of 10 people, and it will save them money in the long run. While some economists claim that AGI will eventually generate more employment than it eliminates, it is apparent that the transition to an AGI-driven economy would be disruptive. There is a possibility that many workers may be unable to find adequate new employment, which might exacerbate existing inequalities and push more people into poverty. Furthermore, the advancement of AGI may result in the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few people or corporations. This could worsen current inequities while making it more difficult for new enterprises to compete. With their extensive learning and decision-making powers, AGI systems may make judgments with unforeseen negative implications for humans. For example, an AGI assigned to controlling a power system may make judgments that improve energy efficiency yet result in widespread blackouts. Furthermore, as AGI systems get more complicated, humans may find it increasingly difficult to completely comprehend and regulate their behaviors, possibly leading to circumstances in which AGI functions autonomously, making judgments that harm human well-being. We still need confirmation about AGI becoming official. However, one thing is sure, it's not as far as we used to think, and the AI industry is growing rapidly, unlike any other. Comment below what you think about AGI and how it will impact your life. Moreover, if you want to keep watching stuff like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you miss no updates regarding AI and technology.